It kind of makes me feel like Christmas. I don't know if I would want to tear the wonderful gift wrap apart. And super thank you too. And it came in this box. Yeah, see, it's a really nice print. Ooh, kind of looks like my blouse. Really pretty gift wrapping. So excited to see. Oh wow, it's not as small as I'm thinking it would be. Can you see it? It's not as small. It's pretty big. Oh, it's well wrapped. Look at all these paper. I'm sorry, I should show you how we unwrap it. Super bubble wrap. Oh, look at that. Isn't that sumptuously beautiful? Oh, wow. That's me. That's pretty. Okay. And then they have this little pretty saucer. It looks so awesome. See? And it goes right here. Oh my. Yeah. Yeah, so we'll have our Alice in Wonderland soon. It's really pretty. I love it. I love it. Yeah, it kind of looks like those designs from the Dutch cups, but this one says it's from artist Sato, made in Japan. And I guess there were 800 made because it says 800 on the bottom right there. So yeah, I super appreciate it. It's super pretty, super nice. I'm thinking, should I get all the other 4 because they all look good. All right, see you in the next unboxing.